thing. It's like almost half of me. Let's bring this inside. Woo. I need to travel with my laptop and notes for my interviews. Okay, Michael B. Jordan. You're getting the sloth. Yeah. I think people think my sloth thing is weird. It kind of is, but they're so adorable. And then once I started saying that I loved sloths, and everybody gave me sloth things. Here's a perfect example. I'm so weird. Okay, I won't pack these to Miami because it's gonna be hot, but look at these sloths. Like, sloths are a thing, okay? So the cool thing is that Chance is going to give me some sneakers to wear so I don't have to pack them. So I'll have some room on the trip back home for them with this big old thing. And this awesome blazer still has a tag on it. These are gonna go with some Fila's. And my inspo was Hailey Baldwin, formerly known as, oh no, Hailey Bieber, formerly known as Hailey Baldwin. I think she does great street style. She like really blends a feminine sort of style with just, you know, cool jackets, awesome sneakers of course. So I always pull pictures of her and kind of take some inspo. Come on, Miami, you know you gotta have the colors. It's my first time going there, so maybe I'll show up and everyone's wearing black, but whatever. In my mind, they're all wearing neon. So Miami is actually gonna be like 84 and sunny out there. So these go in here. This jacket I also am so excited to wear. It's Melody Asani. I'm gonna throw it over another crop top and pants situation. And my going out outfits because you know I'm about to hit the streets after work. I overpack because I overplan. Like, I'm a planner. I'm a Virgo, okay? I like to have control of certain things. So, you know, you gotta keep them clean. Protect the shoes at all costs. Protect them. So I'll put some heels in here too, just in case. Just like a white sneaker, a nude heel is always needed. I actually really love this sports bra. It's from Reckless Girls. Some more neon, perfect for Miami. Oh, speaking of neon, I got this Spice Lord shirt from First We Feast, Hot Ones. Okay, so I decided to put all of my gym clothes in these compartments. So I've got my shirts, my leggings, and sports bras. Set the locks, and then we are good to go. I think I might want a little rosé there. Okay, so time to pack this. Put my MacBook in here. Complex news cards. It's my wallet. Some regular eyeglasses because your girl can't see anything. So now for the most important part of my packing. Makeup and toiletries, you guys. Being on camera, I need to travel with a lot of makeup, so I've got all my brushes here. Of course, my setting powder, which is going to be great for me in Miami. I'm sure I'm going to be sweating a lot. Okay. Some essentials. Way texture spray. Way wave spray, which again is perfect for Miami. It's going to be humid, so I might let my hair just be naturally curly. We'll pop that in there. Micellar water, which is perfect to take off all the makeup. I never fall asleep with my makeup on. That is the best tip I can give anybody. And then it's good to go. I love how it just sits on there. So cute. And the marble and the pink. Definitely my style. Okay guys, that was it. Thanks for watching me pack. I'm gonna go study more for my interviews. I'll see you in Miami.